At the end of the week, traders downplayed the possibility of higher interest rates from central banks and got attracted by risk assets. Most likely, this sentiment will not last long, as the threat of a recession is still there. The US dollar index, which measures its value against the basket of 6 major currencies, closed the week with a decline of 0.49%. to trade at 115. Investors took the statement by Jerome Powell into account. The Fed chair confirmed that the central bank was determined to control inflation and that recession was a possible option in this case. Meanwhile, the University of Michigan's Consumer Statement Index sank to its lowest level on record on Friday. Against this background, the US dollar is set to strengthen further, as it now acts as a safe haven asset. At the same time, traders' risk sentiment was on at the end of the previous week. It's very likely that the euro will hit a 5-year low in the near term, given the difference in the rate policies of the two central banks. The economic state of the eurozone is getting worse and is nearing a recession. Thus, industrial activity in the region has slowed down to a 24-year low, with Germany and France being hurt the most. The pound-dollar pair is also heading to the downside. Inflation in the UK has reached the highest level in the past 40 years, which forces the Bank of England to maintain a more aggressive monetary policy. The regulator has already raised the rates 5 times since December of this year. Back then, it was the first central bank to introduce a rate hike right after the pandemic. At the moment, the interest rate in the UK stands at 1.25%. In the crypto market, the overall sentiment is rather pessimistic. The price of Bitcoin is hovering near the level of $20,000 per token. Experts worldwide predict a bear market for the digital asset. Nassim Taleb, the famous author of Black Swan, created the term crypto winter and said that it could last for quite a long time. Oil traders have recorded losses for the second week in a row. Brent crude, a benchmark grade from the North Sea, dropped to a level of $110 per barrel. The global recession will definitely cut energy consumption and weaken demand for oil. According to the report from the Market Economics Expert Group, business activity indices that turned out to be notably below the forecast confirmed the negative trend. Gold was also trading in the red. Market participants fled to government bonds, anticipating more aggressive measures from global central banks. By the end of the session, the precious metal was trading at $1,825 per troy ounce. These are the main market tendencies of the last week. We will continue to inform you about the latest news. Follow our next videos and see you next time.